Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good day, Ma'am Mega. And here I am, Muhammad Rofik. I would like to collect my duties about the presentation, but it entitled Avoiding Plagiarism Using Mendeley in Indonesian Higher Education Setting. Okay, in this presentation, I would like to explain the rationale and significance of the research purpose, how the res- the results are written, the next the conclusion, and finally how this topic can be developed into an article for undergraduate students. Okay, so next I would like to explain the rationale of this research. Plagiarism is a complex issue because it can happen additionally by mistake or intentionally. Many researchers and students are often less careful when they make citations and references manually. Because of that, manual methods have a high risk of errors, such as missing references, where resources are written in the text but not included in the reference list. Therefore, automatic synchronization using a tool like Mendeley is necessary to minimize these kinds of mistakes. So, next, the significance of this research. The use of Mendeley is important because it is a practical tool to help avoid plagiarism and promote academic honesty. By using Mendeley, authors can confirm and support the ideas they present in synthetic writing. It also helps an authors highlights certain ideas, criticize or agree with other researchers, and build stronger argument. Ethically, using Mendeley shows honest recognition and appreciation of others' research contributes to science. So next, the second part is the research purpose. There are three main purposes of this study, according to me. The first, to explore the reason why people engage in plagiarism, such as time limitation, laziness, and being too busy. And the second, to evaluate the significance of Mendeley, especially how it helped citing, referencing to prevent academic theft. And the last, the third, to promote academic honesty, particularly in Indonesian higher education settings. So next, I would like to explain the way the researchers rates the results. This study uses a qualitative approach where the results are based on interview with four Indonesian Mendeley's advisors. The data are analyzed using thematic analysis, and the findings are grouped into the main themes, reasons, and significance. For the first theme, or the theme one, reasons, the main findings are time restrictions, laziness, being busy. The second, or the theme two, significance. The results show that Mendeley helps users confirm and justify their ideas, highlight important points, and build strong academic arguments. And the next conclusion. Now I will statement in the conclusion. Mendeley is very helpful too for Indonesian education, sorry, for Indonesian students to avoid plagiarism because it works automatically by using Mendeley. So the students can learn how to write honestly and how to respect others people's ideas more easily. However, we cannot rely only on the applications. We still need guidance from supervisor and training from universities to become better academic writers. In the end, avoiding plagiarism requires two important things: a good tool like Mandalay and an honest intention from ourselves. So let's move to part B, which is about developing this topic into an article entitled Avoiding Plagiarism Using Mendeley in Writing an Article for Undergraduate Students. Okay. Okay, to develop the idea into an article, the article will start by discussing the issue of plagiarism among the students. Then it will explain what Mendeley is and its main function. After that, it will discuss the benefit of Mendeley in scientific writing and give examples of how to use it. Finally, the article will end with a summary and some recommendation. So next, why do I say so? Or why do you say so? Many students still struggle with the proper citation, so it is important to begin with the problem of plagiarism. The explanation of Mendeley, an example of its use will make the article easier to understand. The recommendation at the end will emphasize that avoiding plagiarism is a shared responsibility between students and universities. Okay, thank you very much. That's all about my short presentation. And I really do apologize when I made mistake in my presentation. And here I am, Muhammad Rofik Rumata. I'm off, Mom Mega. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much.